So my plan for today is I'm going to, clear all of these things and make it a room for living again. So yeah. So here is all the trash that I'm gonna throw away, and here is the after. I know this one still look like a mess, but I don't know how to I don't know how to just leave it there. But there, now we can walk through this. After I throw this trash, I will move this one out of the way and we can just walk through. And there, it look better, I think. Okay, and now in my bedroom, it's time of Christmas decorating. This one, and I also add this one. I don't know, I just want a Christmas vibe, something like that, so I just put it on there. Yeah, and here is a little Christmas tree that I can just put it on my desk. So I will decorate it after. So this is my Christmas tree for this year. Ta-da! So I just did my vision board for 2025 on next year. So this is all in my vision board. Of course, Anton, and of course, RIIZE 7, And here is my weight goal for next year. And all of this, I will start to manifest it from today. So yeah, I hope all of this cream too. Ooh. I don't know why Anton is here. I just want to see his face every time I turn on my MacBook. Okay? And here is how it looks on my, desktop. Yay! I just really like my bookstore right now. It's kind of really aesthetic vibe. So good. And you can see that here's all my K-pop crush. Hello, good morning. Still content the video of me wake up. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So hello, another day, another vlog. I don't know. So now I'm on my way to do my hair. I'm gonna color my hair this time and cut a little bit to make it a style. Still don't know which style that I want, but let's see that how it's gonna look after. Okay, and also I want to get my nail done. I think that maybe it's gonna be a red wine nail, red nail jelly in December. So let's go! Yay! Hello! So here is my hair after color and style. I love it. You see the layer and the color. I didn't bleach my hair at all, just color it once. It's come out like this. Really good. I love this. Wow. And here's my nail, match my hair, you guys. So ready for like 2025. Red nail theory, also red hair. Yeah, my life is gonna getting better for next year, sure. I just bought Subway, my favorite meal all the time. Here is the wrap with, chicken, something, I don't know, but I just love it. So yeah. In case you're wondering, I didn't drive while eating, okay? But I just can't stand, like, I'm starving, Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะแม่เอาเข้ามาหน่อยเดี๋ยวเย้ So hello guys, so today is work day. I have a work at some of the duck company. I don't know that I should say their name, but yeah, I want. So now it's like almost 7 o'clock and I'm gonna be late. It's not late because I can take like the sky train in front of my house, so yeah, let's see that how is this today gonna happen. Okay, lashes Cleo, the same as my hair color. Breaky Beaky by my mom.
ข้าวโพดอะไรนะกินข้าวโพดไหมมาอีเกียกันนะคะไม่กลับบางนาค่ะเย้มีดเราหยิบมาคิดมาหยิบมาแล้วขอบคุณค่ะสีผมสวยปะสีผมแบบถูกต้องมากไหนอ่ะเห็นไหมไม่ล็อกถือให้กูเหอะน่ารักแต่ว่ามันเจ็บแน่เลยไปใช้ไหนอะเอาแบบนอกบ้านฝุ่นนอกบ้านต้องใช้กับรองเท้าReal Christmas tree ใช่แต่นายชอบเลยสนุกคราวนี้ไม่ต้องเหนียงออกอ่ะนั่นออกอย่าให้มันออกนะ21ป่ะ21ไปงานกาชาดกันต่อค่ะรู้ป่ะว่านี่คือดาราหลักของช่องเขาพาไปออกมาแล้วหนึ่งทริปถูกต้องอาจารย์ด้วยไอเลิฟเซนทรัลอีสต์วิวนะใกล้บ้านเลยก็ไม่ได้ใกล้ขนาดนั้นตลาดร้อนไม่ใช่